Loading mobile phone to flight mode.
Leaving Taiwan now. There are so many open seats on this flight, it's ridiculous. He's got his own row. Sprawl.
Căn cứ vào chỉ thị của Cục Hàng không, hành khách không được phép mang.
So we arrive in Haiphong, and right away cab drivers start offering us rides right outside the airport. And we had no idea how to get to our hotel or what the charge would be. But thankfully we met a nice Vietnamese flight attendant who told us all the cab drivers were ripping us off. Because we were foreigners, they were only giving us the foreigner price to get there. So after haggling with a couple taxi drivers, we just decided to take a bus because it was the cheapest option and it was pretty easy to get to.
Huh?
It says look how pretty.
Yeah. Look at this box.
La Via.
La Via.
Once we got there, we saw the bus, but all the bus drivers were gone.
We were waiting on a bus, we think, but all the bus drivers are sitting down and they looking at us. So this is exciting. Can we get some waves?
The bus driver finally got on the bus and we paid for our ticket, and we were definitely the spectacle for that entire bus ride.
Mexico. Anh ơi, cái xe này nó dừng ở chỗ đấy, có gần cái chỗ mà sẽ xuống đường.
So I can say this out loud right now because no one will understand me. We are the entertainment on this bus right now. This guy just gave his phone to Nick. Oh, he's doing it again. He's giving him his phone to talk to in English.
We're going to Hong Bay. Nếu mà anh đi mất xe này. I don't know. Không, cái đấy thì em chịu. Hello, do you know English? Dạ em gì?
I wondered after we got on how many foreigners had actually taken the bus to get to their hotel. The bus ride was super rickety and people were constantly getting on, getting off. And we drove throughout the city and then toward the countryside. Driving was like anywhere else in Southeast Asia. There's not many laws, just suggestions, and everyone has the right of way.
See you.
And as we traveled further, we got into the more rural landscape, and it just got really beautiful towards sunset. I did catch this one guy on the bus trying to translate something into English so he could talk to us.
So I guess we're going.
And this same guy tried to help us after we got off the bus. So the bus drove us a little over halfway to the place we were staying, and we wanted to take another bus the rest of the way, but we couldn't figure out where and how to catch one, and the locals couldn't really help us either, and if they did, they just wanted us to take their friend's taxi and were charging us the foreigner price again. He was so nice, but we spent like an hour trying to talk to him in his broken English. At some point in the conversation, I figure out he spoke Chinese.
I got to Vietnam and ended up using Chinese to communicate to try to get to our hotel. Not super successful, probably should have studied harder. Nick, how's your Chinese?
I know nothing.
So there I found myself in Vietnam talking to a Vietnamese person in Chinese.
We are finally in a vehicle heading to our hotel.
That was one of those. There were 8 different languages being spoken. 6 different people. It was incredible.
It's the most cultural experience I've ever been a part of. And it's all just to get a taxi to our hotel. But we're here now with this guy. He's our best friend.
We finally got to our hotel by nightfall. We didn't stay up for too long because we had big plans for the next day.